Hello everyone and welcome back to English Practice Beginners. I am so happy that you clicked on this video today because I promise you something very special. Today you are going to learn real English, the type of English people actually use every single day in the UK. And I am going to teach you in a slow, calm and very simple way so that even if you are a complete beginner, you will understand every word easily. I want you to imagine that I am standing in front of you in a real classroom. I am your teacher, I am smiling at you, and I am telling you gently, relax, you can learn English, you can speak English. You only need real conversations. In this lesson, I will talk to you as if I am talking to a real student sitting right in front of me, and I want you to feel safe, confident, and comfortable. I know learning English can sometimes feel scary. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you think your pronunciation is not perfect, or maybe you worry that people will not understand you. But here, in this class, you do not have to worry about anything. You and I will learn slowly, step by step, using real, everyday conversations that people in the UK actually use all the time. When you listen to this lesson, I want you to imagine that you are already in the UK, living your daily life, meeting people, talking to them, answering them, and understanding them. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident, you will understand more, and you will be able to use these sentences in real life without fear. So let's take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and begin this wonderful journey together. Imagine you wake up in the morning in your room in the UK. The sun is rising slowly and the air feels a little cold. You walk to the kitchen and you see your flatmate standing there making tea. She smiles at you and says slowly and warmly, "Good morning, how did you sleep?" This is a very common question in the UK. People ask this to show care and politeness, and you answer with a calm voice, "Good morning, I slept well, thank you. How about you?" When you say this, you sound natural, friendly, and confident. You do not need fast English. Slow English is completely fine, and in fact, slow English is easier to understand and more clear. Now you make your breakfast, maybe bread, maybe cereal, maybe toast. You sit for a minute, enjoy the quiet morning, and then you get ready to leave. You open the door and feel the cold air outside. You start walking to the bus stop. As you stand there waiting, you see an older woman next to you. She looks at you and gives you a small, polite smile. In the UK, smiling at strangers is normal and friendly. The woman says, "Cold morning, isn't it?" This is a very typical conversation starter in the UK. People love talking about the weather. Now you respond slowly, "Yes, it is. It's really cold today." This short, simple conversation is what makes you feel connected to people around you. You do not need long sentences, just natural, gentle English. Now imagine you arrive at your work or college. Your teacher or boss sees you and says, "Good to see you. Ready for the day?" You smile politely and say, "Yes, I'm ready." In the beginning, these conversations might feel small, but they are very important because they help you feel part of the environment. They show that you can communicate, and communication is the first step to confidence. Later in the day, you walk into a small shop. You want to find something, but you are not sure where it is. You walk to a staff member and say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" The staff member answers, "Of course, what are you looking for?" You say, "I'm looking for toothpaste." The staff member points and says, "It's right over there." You smile and say, "Thank you so much." This short conversation is simple but incredibly useful because in the UK you will use this almost every week. Now imagine another moment. You are sitting in a cafe. The barista comes to you and says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" You answer slowly, "I would like a coffee, please." The barista asks, "Small or large?" You say, "Small, please." She asks, "Here or takeaway?" You answer, "Takeaway, please." These are the exact phrases people use every day, and when you speak like this, you sound natural and confident. Now let's imagine a different situation. You are meeting a new classmate or a new colleague. She smiles and says, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you." You respond gently, "Nice to meet you too. I'm—" Your name. She asks, "Where are you from?" You answer slowly, "I'm from—" She nods politely and says, "Oh, that's interesting." This type of introduction conversation is extremely common in the UK, and once you learn it, you will never feel nervous meeting new people again. Now imagine you are walking in a park. A person sees your bag or your jacket and says, "I like your jacket." People in the UK often give small compliments. You respond with a warm smile and say, "Thank you. That's very kind." This simple response shows politeness and confidence. The person may then say, "You're welcome," and walk away. Small interactions like these help you feel more comfortable living among English speakers. There will also be moments when you need information. For example, imagine you are inside a train station and you are not sure which platform to go to. A staff member walks by and you say slowly, "Excuse me, which platform is for the train to—" The staff member answers, "Platform 3. You respond, "Thank you very much," and move forward. These small conversations help you communicate your needs easily. Sometimes someone might ask you for help. Imagine a woman comes to you and says, "Excuse me, do you know where the library is?" You may not know, so you smile politely and answer, "I'm not sure, sorry." This is perfectly okay. In the UK, it is absolutely fine to say you don't know something. Being polite is more important than having the answer. Now imagine you are in your class or workplace. Someone asks, "Do you have a minute?" You can answer slowly, "Yes, sure," or if you are busy, "I'm a little busy right now, but I can help you soon." Slow English makes your message clear and friendly. Sometimes someone might offer you something. Imagine your friend says, "Would you like some tea?" You answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Both sound polite and natural. Now imagine you are saying goodbye to someone after finishing your day. They say, "Have a nice evening," and you respond slowly, "You too. Take care." This simple sentence shows good manners. Every sentence I taught you today is real, natural, and used in the UK every single day. When you practice these slowly again and again, your English becomes stronger. Your confidence grows. You begin to feel like English is not a foreign language anymore. It becomes a part of your daily life. And now I want you to remember something very important. You do not need perfect English. You do not need fast English. You only need clear, simple, slow English. People understand you better when you speak slowly. People respect you more when you speak clearly. You communicate better when you relax. And that is the goal of this channel, English Practice Beginners. I am here to help you speak English with confidence, slowly, calmly, and naturally. Thank you for learning with me today. I am very proud of you. You stayed with me till the end, and that shows your dedication. Keep practicing slowly, keep believing in yourself, and I promise you, you will become better every single day. I will see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep learning.